Did you know na walang sound sa outer space? Welcome to Opto Facts. Facts I found out as an Opto student. Hi Wabs! This fact is nalaman ko sa physics class namin. So, bakit nga ba walang sound sa space? Sound needs a medium para mag-travel and it requires vibration to create a sound. So, parang ganito. So, pag pumukpo ka ng mga bagay, it requires vibration. Sa space, vacuum siya. So when we say vacuum, it is a space that is entirely empty of a matter. So walang air, walang gas, walang solid, walang liquid. And it requires matter or a medium to transfer the sound waves from one point to another. So kahit may explosion dyan, hindi natin siya maririnig. Pero sa light, as we have discussed, kaya niya mag-travel kahit walang medium. Kaya nakikita natin yung stars and even the light coming from the sun, pero hindi natin sila naririnig. So yung mga movies na may mga sounds sa outer space, medyo hindi siya accurate and tama. Pero that's it for our Opto Fact. Love you!